Definitely in quarantine, I ate everything in sight. I was eating pizza and pasta and lots of alcohol, lots of chocolate, junk food, all that good stuff. And I really enjoyed it, but now I'm paying for it. I've basically put on nearly 5 kilos. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my goodness. They're too big. And that's always my size. I've just had my week 4 check-in and I'm just feeling completely defeated. I actually have just sort of pulled myself together from crying because I just can't believe that after a week of full-on working out every day and eating to the plan perfectly, so it's time to lose these quarantine kilos. I've just been going for a walk on the esplanade. It's low tide, so it's not as pretty as it normally is, but it's still really lovely to go for a walk. There you go, there you can see. So it's been a really positive week this week. I've just been getting as much exercise as possible in. I've been working a lot, but just still trying to get out and about. If I'm not doing it at home, I'm going for walks, just trying to keep it up. I've got a cute little H&M nude hoodie on. I keep wearing this all the time. I love this hoodie. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'm just trying to get some exercise. Woohoo! Here is week 4's meal plan, and we get pizza for dinner. Whoop whoop! Oh, and chocolate. Week 4's breakfast is Special K fruit and nut with almond milk and a banana. I'm really happy about this. I actually have been craving cereal, so I did get to request what I was feeling like, and this was definitely on the card. So I'm really happy with what they chose for me, and this should be a yummy start to the day. So excited to have cereal for week 4. It's Special K, the protein nut and fruit one, and a whole banana with almond milk. Yummy. Can't wait. So for week 4, I actually requested to be able to put my 2 snacks together to make a smoothie. It's just easier for me. It's easy for work. I don't actually get time to go and to have snacks, and I can't eat on the floor at where I work. So what I've got here is the ingredients for the 2 snacks put together. I will add the prebiotic collagen protein from Happy Mammoth. That's really great, and it's a neutral taste, so it doesn't have any flavor. I also add in the digestive enzymes, which have been helping me. It was supposed to be mixed berries, but I just grabbed this one at the shops. That's all that they had. Lemon, Greek yogurt, and some Manuka honey. I could also freeze the banana from breakfast if I didn't want to have it with my cereal, and put it in it with this as well. So I'll just mix it up over the next few days, and I'm sure there'll be a couple of days there when I'm at home I'll be able to have it as the snacks. But it's just easy to be able to whip it all together into a smoothie and drink it down. So this is week 4's lunch. We have a Mexican chicken salad. I've added in the herbs just because I prefer to have these herbs with Mexican food. So I've got some coriander and mint, avocado, tomato, red onion, capsicum. I chose iceberg lettuce, but you could have dark greens if you wanted to. Light sour cream and the El Paso spice mix with chicken breast. Looks yummy. I'm looking forward to trying this one. Here is week 4's lunch, a Mexican chicken salad with avocado and sour cream. I've added in the lime and the herbs just because I like it like that. Delicious. Here is the second snack. And here is the second snack. It is lemon Greek yogurt with coconut and a drizzle of, I've put manuka honey. So for dinner for week 4, we have healthy chicken supreme pizzas. So we've got some fat-free ham, light mozzarella, Lebanese bread, capsicum, baby spinach. I've added a couple of tomatoes because I love roasted tomatoes, free-range chicken, pizza sauce. I was supposed to get the Legos, but it wasn't at my Coles, so I just grabbed that one. It was the lowest in all the calories. And then I thought I'd try these vitamin D mushrooms. They were a little bit different. Don't know if it's anything specific there, but anyway, we add that as well. So it should be really yummy. The kids are excited to have this as well. This is week 4's dinner. We've got healthy pizzas. It's really yummy. And dessert for week 4 is 2 pieces of dark chocolate. Yum. And here are some new jeans from Good American that I got. But these are in the American size 6. But I'm actually thinking they've got like there's lots of room there. I might actually take them back because they're like $280 and go down a size. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I mean, it's annoying that I've got to take them back, but look. Look at that. Oh my goodness. They're too big. And that's always my size. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I was happy. Even though this is very frustrating and all my clothes are too big that I've just bought, I'm going to take it back and get a small size. Excuse me in my robe, but I was just getting ready and I'm honestly absolutely heartbroken. I'm just feeling really, I've just had my week 4 check-in and I'm just feeling completely defeated. I actually have just sort of pulled myself together from crying because I just can't believe that after a week of full-on working out every day and eating to the plan perfectly, I haven't lost one thing. I lost 100 grams and I'm just devastated. I just feel so flat. I think to be honest, to just be completely honest with you, I just feel I'm on the end of week 4 and I haven't lost anything for a whole week. And of course I've written to them and they just say, I've just got to stay focused on the positives and that I didn't have a weight gain, which is great. They do think that possibly all the working out, I've held on to some, after all the working out, I've held on to some fluid. So that could be it. But I just don't know. I'm just thinking, I tell them in week 2 and 3 that I was really concerned with how many calories that they had me on. Like I've said in previous vlogs, whenever I lost weight in the past, I had to be really restrictive. I think it's probably the Hashimoto, but I'd literally have to eat 800 to max 1200 calories to lose weight. And I've expressed this to them quite a few times now, and they just keep reassuring me, no, that's not the way. This is, to keep with it. So I'm really hoping at the moment I haven't blown $580 because I could have bought a beautiful pair of shoes for that. Oh, I'm just trying to see the funny side of it, but I'm just gutted, like gutted. And I've also hurt my back now. Like, I was just going crazy with the workouts, and I was doing a standing abs workout, which is great. I can't do the ones on the floor with my neck. And it was a Russian twist where you hold the weight and then stand up but really twist side to side, as if you were doing it on the floor, but you do it standing up and holding a weight. But I went way too hard and have actually immobilized myself. Like my lower back is in so much pain. I can't tell you. It's absolutely killing me. I should have been going to work today, but I just could not bring myself to go. Like, to sit down now, it's killing me. Standing up kills me. And the only thing that really is okay is if I lay down and just... This week has just been such a bitch. I'm like, why? I've been so positive and so trying hard. I'm just trying very hard not to fall into this victim mentality, because that's just not who I am. But I really am struggling, and I really am heartbroken that for the whole week there was absolutely no progress. Nothing. Oh, 0.1 100 grams. At least it wasn't a gain. But what the hell? So I'm going to pick myself up and just get back on track. So let the week 5 journey begin. I really hope I've got this, because I certainly can't exercise for the next couple of days. Fuck. So I'm here resting. As I told you, on weigh-in day, I had a sore back. Teddy's being a little brat. Teddy! Yeah, so as I was telling you on weigh-in, I actually had hurt my lower back, and I woke up, it absolutely was killing me. I actually got stuck in bed and could not get out, and the kids had to come and like help me get out of bed. So I'm just really trying to stay positive. I've been to the physio, and he had the audacity to say, well, you know, you just need to realize that you're not young anymore, that you are in your 40s, and you're going to get injured if you don't take care of yourself. You can't exercise like you did before, and I've basically got to expect that these kind of things are going to happen in my age. And I'm like, well, look at J-Lo, she can do it. Why the hell can't I? Like, what the fuck? I'm just so sad. I can't believe that I've hurt myself so badly. I actually have re-injured a bulging disc, and it's painful, like ridiculously painful. I'm on Valium and Voltaren now and cannot work out at all for at least 2 weeks. I've spoken to the Equalution team, and they've been amazing. They're going to alter my calories down to 1500, so I'll probably have so it's going to be a lesser of a meal plan. Oh, look at my pretty palm shadows. So I've just literally been trying to put some makeup on, try to make myself feel better, really just trying to stay positive, because all I want to do is emotionally eat, binge out, drink a shitload of champagne, and forget that this has even happened. Like, I'm just so sad. I suppose my only bonus is that I've got the week off work, and the kids are doing all the housework, which is awesome. I haven't had to vacuum or anything. They're helping me. There he is. Are you barking and being a loudmouth?